Hi everyone, this is my Mac Masterclass series and this video is very much my masculine look. Now, when I would do the boy to girl tutorials in my real life, I would pretty much look every day like a girl. But in the videos, I wanted to create a before and an after. So I would put my hair in a chignon and I would make a fake sort of beard and I'd use a wire sponge to fill in my beard. And then that would be the starting point. So when people would watch the videos, they would be like, oh my God, what is such a drastic transformation, which rewarded me well over the years. Now I'm older, I'm a little bit more bored of boxes and labels and all the things that people care about that I don't. So what I wanted to do is share with you guys a tutorial that was inspired by my agitprop series of images. Now with this image, I wanted to do two versions of myself. So I wanted to do it was actually going to be for a magazine, but it didn't end up for the magazine. It became part of Agitprop, the first incarnation, the book. I wanted to do a sort of Marlon Brando inspired look because I read, after researching, that he'd made this incredible Polynesian resort in the Pacific Islands called the Brando, which was sustainable, and he had such an activist heart and was really into Indigenous cultures around the world and supporting First Nations and so on and so forth. I can go in and out of facts that I was inspired by him. I also found out he was gay, which was such a strange thing because you think this film star of that time period, so many of the male film stars kind of became the blueprint of what American men were like. But if you were gay, it was not allowed. So I thought this was a really weird one. And I always thought, like, why are they always so brown? Like, why are they always so, like, sun-kissed? Like, the look of all the sort of men of that era were always super tan, super brown. And I just thought it was an interesting one because when you looked at the research of how people assess gender, when someone has a darker skin tone in the West, we attribute that to masculine. So it was interesting because I wanted to experiment myself and see, like, if I put more of a tan on me, do they seem more masculine? And the people do. And I think that's such a bizarre note to take in because we need to think about unconscious bias and what we think about deeper skin tones and all kinds of things like that. But that was another layer to this. So there was so much I was doing with this Agitprop project because it was all pictorial information, things that I was inspired by and I wanted to tell stories about. So it's my masculine look, very simple, using my Mac collection, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial series. Please check out my MAC makeup collection. It is the blueprint of all my work. It's the products that I grew up using. Don't forget to grab those stickers. They're really a touch of the JH magic and I hope you love them. So yes, thank you guys for watching.